want to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the tools that you will need in order to do this, how you can actually leverage free traffic in order to make $100 per day. And then also make sure you stay to the end because I want to share with you how you can have all of this set up within just a few minutes. And this will work perfect for you, especially if you're brand new to the online marketing space and you're just looking for a shorter learning curve in order to go ahead and get started with your online marketing business. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how you can earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So if you do not know what affiliate marketing is simply where we as an affiliate will promote products that have already been created. They already have the customer service in place. Everything is already done. All we need to do as affiliates is get tons of people to visit that website. And when we become affiliates for certain products or certain websites, we will get a link that is coded to us so that if somebody goes through our particular link and they purchase something on that website, we will earn a commission. It is by far, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to get started online because again, you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to deal with customer service issues. You don't have to worry about shipping out items and tracking and none of that type of stuff. The only thing that you need to worry about, again, is getting tons of eyeballs and tons of people to visit the website. That is the only thing that you need to do. So the things that you will need in order to make this happen. So one, you need a product to sell. The second thing is you need an email capture page. Now, this is very important because what we're going to be doing with this strategy is we're going to be building up an email list, right? And I'll explain this a little bit further why this is so important and why that if no matter what business that you're going to build online, you need to have an email list. So if you don't have one right now and you currently are building an affiliate marketing business online, you need to definitely watch this because you are missing out on so much money by not having this. The next thing you need is an autoresponder. So what is an autoresponder? It's basically a fancy term that we use to house all the emails that we're going to capture on our email capture page. And then the last thing you need is traffic. So I'm going to share with you a free traffic strategy that you can use. There's many ways that you can generate free traffic and even paid traffic, but I'm going to just share with you a free traffic source or on a platform that a lot of people are actually using. And this is a great way for you to actually earn some income with affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the first thing. Let's find a product to sell. So what we can do is we can go to an affiliate website called Digistore24. And on this website, it's similar to clickbank.com where we can actually create a free account, and they have a variety of different niches and where we can find products for. So on this particular channel, I talk a lot about make money online affiliate marketing. So that kind of falls into internet marketing and an e-business here. So if I were to click on this tab, it'll kind of bring me over here where I can actually find products to sell to sell in order to earn commissions. So if we were to choose this one right here where it's called Profile Profit Machine, what I can do here is I can look here. It's going to give me some information about the particular product, the price of the product. Also, if I want to know more about the affiliate portion of it, right here, it'll tell me that I need to complete this information here, how I can earn, how much I can earn in commissions and things like that here. So I can learn all that information here since I'm an affiliate, wanting to become an affiliate for this product. And then also I can click on sales page, and then I can see the actual sales page. So when people click on my affiliate link for this particular product, this is the information that they will see, right? So I can check out this information here and get an idea of, what's going on, what's being shown on this sales page, and to kind of learn more about the product myself. Now, this is something that I want to promote. All I would have to do is come here and click on this blue button right here where it says promote now. And as you can see here, we earn 50% of the commission. So if we click on promote now, I will be generated an affiliate link. So now we have our affiliate link, we have a product to sell. So the next thing that we need is an email capture page. Now on this email capture page, this is where we're going to collect emails. And the reason why we want to do that again is because only 2% of people actually, when they see an actual product, only 2% of people actually buy it the first time they see something. So In most cases, most people need to see a particular product or service at least 7 to 12 times before they make some type of decision on it. And that decision could be to purchase the product or not to purchase the product. So if we collect their email address, right? If we collect their email address and we build up an email list, on those follow-up emails, we can sell other products in addition to the one we're going to be promoting in this particular example. We can continue to sell other products through email, and we can earn sales on the back end. That's what we call through email follow-ups, is the back end. Okay? So we want to make sure that we collect these people's emails, so that way we can always have a way to continue to follow up with them and promote other products. So what we need is an email capture page system. So one of the ones that I use is called LeadPages.com. It's only $37 per month. It's one of the cheaper options out there. And this is what I create most of my landing pages with. And once you have created an account with LeadPages, and you can choose LeadPages. You can also use Clickfunnels or anything like that. I'll include the links to LeadPages and Clickfunnels below in the description below this video. But what you want to do is you want to create an account, and you want to go ahead and start creating your landing page so we can promote the profile profit machine. So now you can see with LeadPages, they have all these various templates that we can use over here, and you can edit any of these templates in order to promote your product, right? So we can just scroll through, we can see what they have here, and then what we want to do is we want to choose one of these in order for us to actually promote our particular product that we have just found. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose this particular one, because this is what I typically use on LeadPages in order to create my landing pages. So now that I have chosen my email capture page, what I want to do is I want to change up the wording here, so that way people will be inclined to submit their email address in order to get more information about the product that I am about to sell them. So instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the sales page for the actual product for Profile Profit Machine, and I'm going to leverage some of the information that I find over here in order to build up my landing page. So over here we can see is get massive engagement and daily sales in any online business using free organic Facebook traffic. So what I can do here is I can kind of change up that wording here. We'll put learn how to get daily sales using free Facebook marketing, right? That's not the greatest copy, but just kind of just for this example. I'm gonna get rid of this information here, and then I'm gonna change it here. Send me the free information now, something like that. Okay, so that's a really basic page, and yes, it is ugly. And and the reason why I say this is because sometimes people make these pages, the actual email opt-in page, so elaborate, and when you don't have to. In the years that I have been doing affiliate marketing, I have learned the ugliest pages sometimes get me the most results. I want to collect as many emails as possible, and the more emails that I collect, that means more people are going to see the information I'm going to show them about this particular product, the Profile Profit Machine, right? We're not trying to sell people on this page. The whole goal for this page is to collect the email address. So we want to make sure we leave some type of curiosity there, so that way they'll submit their email address. If we try to sell them on this page, they will not enter their email address, and that's just a waste of traffic. That's the whole purpose of this particular of this page. We want to collect the email address. Now, when somebody clicks on this particular button, it's going to do two things. One is once they submit their email address, after clicking this button, it's going to bring them here. So now they're going to learn more about this particular product that I am offering. The next thing that is going to happen is it's going to put their email in an email autoresponder. So again, from our notes, that's what we need next. We need an email autoresponder. And again, an email autoresponder is just a fancy term of where we're going to house of a platform that's going to house all the emails that we're going to capture on this page. Now, once we have those hundreds and thousands of emails that we're collecting, we could send them out email follow-ups that they will get sent directly to their email inbox promoting the product that we found earlier, and then any additional products that we want to offer them on the back end. And you can see that through this example. So we have our email opt-in page here, and if they want to know this, they want to get access to this free video, they'll click on this button here, and they'll take them to the offer, and then they'll automatically be sent to our email follow-ups, as we can see here. In our email follow-ups, again, like email 1 and email 2, we want to pitch them, and we want to send them back to the very product that they were interested in to submit their email address. Then we want to send a series of at least 3 value-based emails. And what I mean by value-based, meaning that we're just going to give them information on how to work from home, how to have success with affiliate marketing. And in these emails, we're not going to include an affiliate link. We're just giving them free information. And then we're going to send out another email or 2 trying to pitch them again on another product that we find on Digistore 24. That is the name of the game, guys, right? Because like I said, when somebody enters their email address here and they land on this offer, they may not buy this particular offer right here and there. They may come through your email sequence, through your follow-ups, and purchase on email 9. But the only way you're able to do that is if you collect their emails here. So that's the reason why we want to do this, and that's the reason why you need to have an email capture page, and you also want to make sure that you have an email autoresponder like aweber.com. This is what I'm using here. So that way they can receive these email follow-ups in order to, so that we can promote additional products to them. The last thing we need is traffic. And I'm going to share with you how to do this using Facebook. So right now we're looking at my Facebook account, and there's a few ways that you can actually leverage this, okay? So once you have this email opt-in page done, what you can do is you can update your bio information right here, and you can include a link right here to this particular page right here. So if somebody wants to learn how to get daily sales using Facebook marketing, they'll click on your link from your profile from here. They'll land on this page, enter their information, and now they're going to learn about the particular product that we found on Digistore, right? That's one way. You can also edit this information here. So you can put here, if you want to learn how to make daily sales, just what we put here, we can use this copy right here, learn how to get daily sales using free Facebook marketing. We could put an image right here, and if they click on this, it can actually bring them here to this page. So that's just another way that we can actually collect emails from our Facebook profile. That's 2 places that we can put our links in order to drive traffic to this page here, right? Another way that you can do that is through your Facebook profile. So this is something that I have covered a few times on this channel, of how I'm able to earn some quick money, you know, just by making posts on Facebook. So in order for this strategy to work, you need to make sure that you are building up your friends list. You always want to make sure that you're adding new people to your friends list, and then also make sure you're deleting a lot of dead weight, the people who are not interacting with you and things like that. You want to make sure that you're removing those people and you're keep adding new people, so you can always have fresh eyes onto your content, so that way people will opt in to learn more about whatever it is that you're promoting. So I can create a post right here where I could say something like, who wants a short video on how to make $100 plus a day posting on your Facebook profile? And I want to make sure I choose a colored background, because these actually help you to get more conversions, right? So let me choose one of these little backgrounds. Choose the green one. And I'm going to click post. So you can make a simple post like this. And then when whoever leaves a comment underneath this post, what you want to do is you want to send them a private message and tell them like, hey, here's the information on how you can make $100 per day posting on your Facebook profile. And what you're going to do, you're going to give them the link to this page, and you're going to send it to them through their private message. That's it. You can literally make $100 plus per day doing this right now, simply by using free Facebook strategies. I showed you 3 ways that you could promote on your Facebook profile that will help you to get at least $100 per day if you use this strategy, right? Another way that you can actually do this is by joining Facebook groups. So you can come over here, you can do a search for affiliate marketing. You want to click on groups, and you're going to see a whole list of groups that's going to pop up for different things about affiliate marketing. You can also do the same thing for work from home groups. And the groups that are not really spammy, they have, like this group right here is not spammy. Affiliate marketing for passive income with Brian, it's not spammy in this group. What you want to do is you want to join these type of groups, and you just want to provide value. Meaning when somebody has a question about affiliate marketing or something like that, you want to answer those questions. You want to start building up those relationships. And you also want to post value in here. So if you watched a video on YouTube and you learned something about affiliate marketing, come join some of these groups, post something that you have learned about affiliate marketing, so that way you're actually helping other people to learn more about affiliate marketing and what people are naturally going to do. Okay, who is this person that keeps posting in this group providing value? What they're going to do is they're going to come over here to your Facebook profile, and they're going to start clicking around. So they're going to start clicking on the links here. They're going to probably click on this image here. And again, this information is going to send them where? Here. So now we're collecting emails, and now they're going to learn more about this particular product. And if they purchase, we earn a 50% commission. Right? You see what I'm doing here, guys? And this only takes you about a few minutes per day to do this. Only takes about a few minutes per day. So that's how you're going to be able to make all of this work. So just how I shared with you all in this video again, you want to make sure you have a product to sell, an email capture page, an autoresponder, and you need to have traffic. If you do this, right, and you just keep sending traffic to your email capture page, you can start to earn $100 per day with affiliate marketing with this free traffic strategy. Now you got to make sure you're consistent with this. Do not just do this one time and think that, because you didn't make a sale that it didn't work. Sometimes it could be the product. Maybe people just weren't interested in the product that you were offering. That's fine, because now that we have them on the email list, we can find other products on Digistore that we can send through email follow-ups, so that way they can see other products that we're promoting, and they might purchase another product down the line. That is the whole idea of this in order for you to make this work. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I share with you how you can make $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Now, you see all the steps that I took in order to make this happen. But if you want to have a fully functioning affiliate marketing business done within 2 hours, and you want to have pages like this that's already created for you, you don't have to create landing pages on your own. You can have all of this created for you, and you can go ahead and start sending traffic to this pre-done page and everything else. Underneath this video in the description below, I want you to go ahead and click on that link to learn my #1 way to make money online. This is a system that I am currently using in my business that is helping me to earn thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, and I had this up and running within a few hours. And again, all I had to do was just start sending traffic to this page that's already done for me. So if you don't want to take the time to set all of this up like I shared with you in this video, again, if you have at least 2 hours to spare, you can have an affiliate marketing business done for you. So underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, click on that link. Click that link to learn more about how my #1 way to earn income online. And if you got a lot of value from this video, leave a comment below. Also hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video.